Dane Shields with TS Diving Service here. It is April 26th, 2023. We're at the vessel, I think it's called Sanook. We're at Marina San Pablo, slip 56. I believe it needs some zincs. Kitty cleaned her yesterday. This is a quality control video and a video for me to look to see what zinc she needs. I am just going to breath hold her. Okay, let's go back and look at the rudder. And on the back zinc. Bottom paint looks to be in great shape. Looks like it was cleaned up nicely. I believe that's an 80 millimeter maxprop. I will bring one of those later this afternoon. Thank you for choosing the TS Diving Service.